Hey, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a plan with me for setting up the first week of October. First, I'm going to flip to the monthly view for October. Typically, I record this and share with you guys, but I just did not get around to it this month. It's been crazy the last few weeks, but I did want to show you what it ended up looking like. I set up my monthly using a mix of stickers from the Cocoa Daisy Weeks calendar stickers, as well as the Cocoa Daisy Planner add-on kit. This month, both of the kits came from the Autumn Whispers collection. It's very pretty. So I use the kind of headers and banners from the weeks stickers, and then the numbers are from the planner add-on sticker set. I love this color scheme and the way it turned out. I also kind of filled in the gaps with my PMD icons and scripts. So we're going to move forward to the weekly, and this is for the 2nd through the 9th. No, the 2nd through the 8th of October. We're going to start with putting our Days of the Weeks headers. These come from the add-on kit. I really love this color scheme this month for the Autumn Whispers collection. I'll probably repeat that again because that's how much I enjoy all of these colors together. To the right, you can see this month I put my little decorative clip on a piece of cardstock. I feel like that's helping it stay in the pocket a little bit better than previous months. And I just took it out so that it would lay completely flat while I was putting everything down. Next in my process is adding the dates for the week, and these come from the Daisy Weeks sticker kit. If you're not familiar, those stickers are sized to just pull off the strip and lay it across the page in a week's sized notebook. I use a B6, so even though it is slim, it's still not quite a perfect fit. And I choose to just trim them and put them down because I like the way that it looks. For me, my planner, all of the stickers and stuff are extra. I just need a planner that works for me. I like decorating, but that is not kind of where it's at for me. I would still use my planner even if it wasn't super decorated. Um, Next up is blocking out kind of our schedules for the week. I don't plan hourly, like I don't plan my days hourly, but I do like to note kind of what our schedules look like for the week. So at the top, that is kind of getting ready in the morning and leaving for school and work. And then the next line is for the kids getting out of school, and then the very bottom line there is for when my partner finishes his work day. And Friday is going to be a little different. The kids have an early release. So here's my water plants sticker for the house sitting that we're doing. And then I have a decorative box here, and I'm going to be using one of my custom script stickers from PMD stickers. And these ones, I didn't check the size, and so they're a little bit bigger than normal, but I just kind of trim between the two words, and it works just fine for that. I'm gonna set up my to-do list on the sidebar there, and that washi came with the add-on kit as well. And that's just a place for kind of anything and everything that needs to get done in the week if it isn't a day specific task. I also have a couple of meetings this week. I am going to apologize. You're going to see a lot of the top of my head. I there was no way around it for some reason this week. As much as I tried to stay conscious of it, it just did not work, and I apologize. So here are my little appointment reminders, as well as some of these smaller boxes for events going on that I am attending or need to be reminded about. We have a wax museum event for the kids' school, as well as a school dance, and yeah, just lots of fun stuff. It is a full week for us, between meetings and school events and early release and all kinds of good stuff. So I am going to add in a couple to-do lists for me for my work. Again, I don't plan on hourly, so I just cover up the hourly with my checklist task items. I would ideally finish December daily this week. We will see. It is, like I mentioned before, a very full week for us. Not like hectic busy, just stuff that needs to be taken care of. And it's been like that the last couple of weeks. So I haven't finished the last week of December daily. I am pushing forward as much as I can. So hopefully within the next 2 weeks, I will have the album finished and shared. I am going to set up the rest of my sidebar here. I do a don't forget section with that little banner in the center, and then the bottom section is for our planning out our meals for the week. I don't know why, but for some reason having the don't forget little portion right there in the center really works for me. As they're usually like higher priority items, you would think I would put them higher, but I just like the way that they look there. Typically I do stamp a meal plan stamp in that banner, but I could not find it. So we're going to move on for now and just do my little divider, washi divider there at the bottom. This thinner washi also came with the Cocoa Daisy add-on kit. And I like that even though they're kind of all different colors at first, you can kind of make them all work together once you start adding some of the decorations in. I'm just kind of moving around some of those repositionable flags to remind me of different things, and moving whatever needs to be pushed forward, moving those forward. I'm going to fill in some of our events here. And then what do I do next? Because it is a full week, I kind of didn't plan a lot extra. I am marking hockey games. We do like to watch professional hockey in our home, so I did note those games for the week. I am also going to mark the fall festival that's on this weekend coming up. We aren't committed to going, but we may go depending on how we feel. I'm going to add I'm going to add this rub-on. This set of rub-ons took a little bit of extra work, I'm not going to lie. And as you can see when I pulled it up, part of the veins in the leaf were missing, so I grabbed a die cut to cover the space. So I am going to wrap it up, I think, with kind of this is what the page looks like going into the planning week, and then I'll put some still photos at the end so you can see what it looks like fully planned out. Thank you for coming along with me and spending your time with me today. Oh, I am going to add a couple more stickers kind of to hold that fickle washi down. And yeah, so any questions or comments, leave them below. I would be glad to connect with you that way. Like or subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and be sure to check out the rest of the photos here coming up. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.